This tutorial will take you through implementing a simple authentication scheme with AngularJS using JWTs. JWT stands for JSON Web Token, and according to JWT.io, it's a compact URL-safe means of representing claims to be transferred between two parties. Essentially, what this allows you to do is encode something like a user ID or an email address inside of a token that is then transferred between the server and the client with every request to be authenticated. Here we can see an example of a JWT, and you'll notice that it has three parts to it, all separated by periods. The claims object itself is stored in the middle between these two periods and is really a JSON encoded object. Down here we can see what the decoded object looks like in this particular example, and you'll note that we have three properties: sub, name, and admin. For this tutorial, we'll be storing three properties inside of the claims object of our JWT: the username, the ID, and an expiration date. A few things to note about JWTs is they are not encrypted. They are signed digitally on the server using a secret that only the server knows. This signing process is what prevents the token from being tampered with by the client. To prevent third parties from reading the token, SSL is used. For the purposes of this tutorial, I've created a server that you can use to test your code. This tutorial will only cover the front-end Angular portion of the authentication scheme. If you're interested in learning more about the back end, you can check out our main tutorial or let me know on Twitter and I can write a part 2.